This is a disclaimer. Do not broadcast this video over the air. This video contains valid EAS tones. If you broadcast this over the air, it has the potential to activate the real emergency alert system. Also, this is a completely fictional story.
Tornado emergency for Columbus. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for Fairfield County in southeastern central Ohio.
Attention Fairfield County Dispatch. A tornado warning has been issued for our area. The tornado sirens must be sounded for 3 minutes and then silence for 7 minutes throughout the remainder of the warning.
Attention Division 23, please stand by for emergency warning siren activation for tornado warning.
Attention Fairfield County EMA, please proceed to the basements immediately.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for this area. Seek shelter in the basement immediately.